Morning, trading fam, or Merry Christmas, or getting there anyway. If you don't believe in Christmas, hopefully your trading day is awesome. And today we're going to be looking at Quantum Corporation, the 1 month. One thing with Quantum Corporation that I noticed, which was, look at this. Keep going. Keep going. As we came from like over $6,000, and now we're not even up, now we're not even at 50. So I looked at some of the financials, and it'd be interesting for you to view. So I definitely strongly recommend looking at that. But Quantum Corporation, potentially, if they do things right, potentially, there's always a lot of potential in that. There could be some synergy with NVIDIA and other AI that's going there. So they could be placing themselves in the right direction possible. But my goal is not to see the possibilities. My goal is to sort of see what is the market giving us, showing us at this moment in time. And now currently, if you want to just go from here and we take a wonderful fib and we go like this, the level that I'm sort of be seeing at that this market would drive to anyway, $69 is roughly the next level of resistance that I would sort of say that we could sort of see, depending on how we make with this market. And what I mean by making with this market is that how we interact. Is this resistance going to become support, or is this going to push the market back down to $5, etc.? However, if we look bullish, why not? The sky is the limit for this stock. The next level, if we can break this $70 marker, $75 marker, the next level that I have, quite simply, is 228. So this is huge when it comes to this market here. The next thing that we need to put in is our fib retracement, and we'll just take it to the next top here. So we're not, like I said, we're only looking at what we see currently with the market in itself and in its entirety, rather than what we're thinking the market will do and why and how. We can't assume the market's going up or down. We can only take technical indicators that will suggest, and hopefully if they overlay with one another, which would increase the probability of the market moving forward or the market moving downward, right? Where we drop in our other technical indicator that I love to use as such, making sure all of our levels are on point and correlated. And the correlation is quite simple, as you could sort of see with the last fork correlating with the 61.8, correlating with the projection. So I would be expecting a reaction off of the $69, $70 marker in this manner here. Now, where does that mean that we're going right now? Well, if I go into the weekly quickly, we can potentially see a drive up to this level, possible correction of some nature, either one of these levels here, and then if we can break this level of resistance, then we could sort of see a drive up from there. So if we can break through this level, even for a touch, and then come back and correct, I could sort of see a potential drive up from those levels. The next level would be the 116s, and then the 195 would be the next level that I would see. So 95 and then our median line, which is sitting at $118. But like I said, there's a lot of great potential for this market. And currently at this time, we are driving to the $67, $70 marker. If everything is moving smoothly, of course. And then from there, we could sort of see a retracement off of that $70 marker, $75 marker, and the correction levels could be back down quite a bit. We're at 60, 48, or even 30. And then from there, if we broke that level, then we can sort of see a further drive up forward. If you like what you're hearing, if it's connecting or resonating with your strategy, let me know. The goal here is to give you the best trading transparency advice possible, as well as making sure that you're a more sustainable trader and less burnout, and as well you're improving your wellness each and every day. My team here with over 4+ psychologists, as well as my 15+ years experience under the tutelage of my mentor, who was making $3.5 to $4 million a month, and this was when I was age 18, and now he's retired. So like I said, we have the understanding to understand where the market's going and why, and currently right now this is what we're seeing. Now if you want to know more, like, comment, subscribe, whatever, follow, comment. And if you want to go, hey Kris, can you analyze this market for me? More than happy to. Send me a DM and I will look at the market that you're asking for, and we'll do a quick mock-up of it and to sort of see what direction it can go into. And before I let you go, ladies and gentlemen, let's go into a little bit deeper. Why not? We're already here. So there you go. So that's something where I wanted to sort of facilitate right now. Right here, this is sort of what I was looking for, is this level of resistance is now becoming support, and then now we are doing our drive up here. So if I wanted to remove all this so it's a little bit cleaner, what we're seeing right now currently is this market hit this blue level, which is a pitchfork level, but then this created resistance, which now this market right here has broke that resistance and is now made a higher high. Well, if you make a higher high and a higher low, what does that mean? A bullish run. And currently this is what we're seeing. So right here, this market is going to be pushing up to this level at $69, $70. From there, we could either see a correction of this market or a breakthrough, touch, and a push off. And like I said, I will quickly remove these levels so that you can sort of see what I am trying to say. So that was our resistance level that we had. And then now currently our target is this level here. And if we did a quick little fib, we can go to there. And then from there, you can even see a push out of $88. So let's make this a 4. Perfect. Awesome. So that's sort of the way what's happening here currently is the market is driving up from this support level here, this newfound support level, which was resistance. And now we are driving up further, probably test at the 59, which is the top, maybe a small correction, not too sure yet. And then from there, we'll continue to drive up to the 70s. From here, I definitely expect a correction of some nature, or we just push off to the 87 and then we correct down and then keep going up in that manner there. Any questions, let me know. Send them my way. More than happy to help wherever I can. Take care, and let's get on to the next one.